Hi, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the beauty and versatility of the English language. I'm Alex, and I'm so excited to have you here today. Our word of the day is allow. It's a super useful A2 level verb that means to give permission for something to happen. Let's dive right into it. To allow means that you let someone do something, or you make something possible. For example, if you allow your friend to borrow your book, you are giving them permission to take it for a while. Or, if your parents allow you to stay up late, they're letting you go to bed later than usual. Some synonyms for allow include permit, authorize, and grant. Here's an example with permit. The teacher will permit students to use their notes during the exam. With authorize, the manager had to authorize the use of company funds for the project. And with grant, the judge decided to grant the request for more time. Now, let's explore some antonyms of allow. These include forbid, prohibit, and deny. For instance, the sign says we are not allowed to swim here. Swimming is forbidden. Or, the school prohibits the use of phones during class. Lastly, they had to deny entry to anyone without a ticket. In everyday life, you might hear allow in all sorts of situations. Imagine this. Will you allow me to explain my side of the story? Or, my parents don't allow us to eat in the living room. It's also common in formal contexts like, the app will not allow access unless you enter the correct password. Here are a few more examples in sentences. The museum doesn't allow flash photography. Will you allow me to join you for lunch? The teacher allowed extra time for students to finish the test. To sum up, allow is an incredibly versatile word that helps us talk about permission and possibility. It has useful synonyms like permit and authorize and contrasting antonyms like forbid and deny. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Don't forget to create your own sentence using allow and share it with us in the comments. I can't wait to see how you use today's word.